Hello, welcome to today's show. Today we're going to talk about the Niteize 3-in-1. This is my daughter's. Got her for a couple of, got her this one a couple years ago. Was only working intermittently. Changed the battery, still didn't work. So I emailed Niteize. They sent me a new one right away. So that's great customer service. This is a nice little light. Put a little rope on it. She just keeps it in her backpack in her dorm. It's 80 lumens on high, so there it is. And then low, and off. Then it has this red and flashing, and then SOS. And you can also, like I said, we had it up here before, makes a candle. That's a great feature too. It's a great little light. We're going to go outside later and show you in the backyard like I did the mag light, so you can compare your beam area. It's a little brighter, but you can't focus it like the mag lights you can focus. So that's a great light. I'd recommend it for anybody that's just using the light once in a while. You keep it in your backpack in your dorm. You can never have too many flashlights. Alright, we'll go outside and look at that. Okay, here we are outside. We're going to try the Niteize 3-in-1. There, whoa, it's a little bit bigger beam than the mag light. Quite a lot brighter, but this is 80 lumens. That's the bright. Remember my shed here. So you can see it goes further out in the field. It's a bigger beam. You can't focus it like the mag light, but it's a great light to have. And there's the low one that lasts a lot longer. Okay, and then I don't know if you can see, let's shut that off. See, here, gives a little glow. It would show people there's a red light, I guess. And let's shut that off. Oh. People be able to see that for a while, ways away. Oh, SOS. I'm going to hurry this up a little bit because it's about 0 degrees Celsius here. Well, that makes a nice, yeah, that's pretty helpful too. And then in low. Well, this Niteize, I'd never used it before. It's my daughter's, but that's a great light. It's a perfect light, pretty affordable. I gave it to my daughter. She keeps it in the bottom of her backpack. If she ever has a flat tire in a car or something, I'll help her out. If you don't want to walk across campus for camping, it's perfect. Alright, let's go back inside. Alright, welcome back. You could see the was pretty bright there. You can see the comparison to the mag light. It's brighter. It's not as focused. But it's generally a pretty good affordable little light. It's good to have. It's not the brightest light you'll own or the most expensive light you'll ever own, but it's a nice little light. Alright, if you enjoyed today's video, just hit the like. Don't be afraid to subscribe. We're going to try to talk about different things. So if you want to keep getting these interesting videos, subscribe, hit the bell, notification bell. Thanks for watching.